the person who is little slow in learning. So in that way, if a dull student able to understand, then the entire class understands. So we should never be partial for the person. That's what my point is.
All right. So it is crystal clear that we should not discriminate or partial about students. We should not focus on particular students or their potential. We have to provide equal opportunities. We have to consider everyone equally, boy or girl, no partiality. Well done. Thank you so much. Next point from opposite side. So that is dons. What can you do in the classroom?
First, we have to ensure that proper silence and discipline is maintained in the class, so that everybody will be able to hear our lecture.
Yes, we have to ensure silence in the classroom. Then only we can give them instructions, we can give them lesson, we can motivate them. Yes, don't try to say 1 point, minimum 1 point. Yes.
The examples that we give to understand the topic must be very practical and